Hey guys, I'm going to show you this new Lowbrow Customs product we have here. We got these awesome tie downs. You can use them to tie down your chopper, your bobber, your bagger, your swagger, on your trailer, your truck, whatever you got. We can tie you down. Holy f***ing shit. Lowbrow Customs. Beep, beep.
All right, everybody, it's time for another one of Todd's Tech Tip Quickies from America's favorite moto guru, Todd.
All right, step one, get your scooter up on the trailer. It's always good if you got a helper. And then I'm gonna have my helper hold it up for me, because that's always a much easier way to do it. My helper, Kyle. With these kind of tie downs, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna take it apart and show you how the easiest way to figure it out if you don't know. Oh, it doesn't come apart. That's pretty awesome. I have a set of these, but this whole thing will pull right out of here. These won't pull out. That's a pretty good feature. These have a built-in soft tie. Would you look at that? The best place to put it on this kind of motorcycle is in between the fork tube and the triple tree, like so. And then what you want to do is you want to pull this tight and see how the bike's leaning this way a little bit. That's perfectly fine. And then you're just going to ratchet it a couple of times, like so. Then go ahead and move around to the other side. All right, one other neat feature I want to show you about the new Lowbrow Customs tie-down straps is this little carbiner end here, carbiner. However you want to say that, depends on where you're from. This is good for on your pickup truck. A lot of new pickup trucks have the little built-in chingas in the bed of your truck. So we're on this particular trailer, we've got a good spot to tie it, put it right here, like so. You're gonna put your soft tie around the fork and hook it on there. Go ahead and pull her tight and give it a ratchet. And incidentally, when you go to release these, so say it's tight and you want to take your bike off the trailer, you're going to lift up on this mechanism, and I'll demonstrate that real quick. Like so, we'll go ahead and tie this down. Okay, where we got to our destination, we want to take it off. You're going to pull that. You're going to pull that because see, you can't pull it now. That's going to make it tighter. You're going to lift that, and that'll release it. And you have to put all the way in this position for it to release because of the way it's designed. These are a pretty common design. They've been used for a while. They're a good design. And once again, give her a crank, get her nice and straight, and we'll go around the other side and make sure it's good and tight on that side. Get the other side cranked down. Head on over to lowbrowcustoms.com, get you a set of these awesome new tie downs, and we're not going for a ride, we're going for a trailer ride. Woo!
Todd's Tech Tip Quickies.